Hey folks, welcome back to the Mount Shasta Bird Report. This is Joseph Sparrow at the Headwaters Park. Springs of the Sacramento River. Let me show you a little bit of what getting involved in a Sunday up here on Mount Shasta looks like. I'm part of the Men with Baskets crew, you know. Some dudes have big wallets in their pocket. I carry a big basket. But yeah, we're about ready to have some more storms coming in, but right now, absolutely gorgeous. So I figured grab my instruments, grab some water, go see what's happening. This little area right here that I'm walking down, this is a trail that goes all around the Headwaters Park. Excellent if you just like are cruising up the I-5 and want to step away from the vehicle, grab some water, maybe you got a pet with you, some kids. Beautiful person, you want to just have a little moment in an area that you're not very familiar with. Well, this little trail right here is AAA. Super nice, you know, come check it out. It's a good way to spend 10 minutes there, folks. If you're cruising around, find yourself in Mount Shasta City, take yourself for a walk on this little Headwaters Park. All right, so that's a good invitation for y'all to step away from your vehicle for a moment and enjoy yourselves. Find yourselves out on the I-5, cruising by Mount Shasta, doing your thing, you know. This is Sunday, you know, so like we got an epic drum circle that goes on up here in our little gazebo. It's amazing. Grab an instrument, you know, like come and do the hippie, you know. It's a lot of fun, wholesome, you know, maybe bring some food to share, you know. Enjoy yourselves if you guys can, you know. And there's just, you know, I just wanted to just invite you all to stop for more than fuel. Find yourself on Mount Shasta, California. You know, might even run into a crazy character named Joseph Sparrow. So, hope you guys are staying wild and free. Getting the vibe, you know. Like, subscribe, share this with your friends, you know, trying to get this thing going out there, you know. So, till next time, Joseph Sparrow, you guys stay wild and free.
They want to control people's movement. They want you to have hardly anything to save the earth, and that's wrong. They need to have humans flourish and the earth flourish.
Yeah, right.
Okay?
So, right.
And that's what I spoke. And I said, and I know the earth is, you know, but what they're doing is there's people on the top that have insidious mechanisms. But a lot of the people there, I was proud of them because they were going beyond it. They were speaking up there, speaking about consciousness in a smart way where we can be opulent. In other words, opulent in our being, our richness. I don't mean misusing things. I mean just you get what you need, and maybe beyond that, so you can flourish. Why not? Why shouldn't he flourish? He flourish.
I agree.
So basically, I got a, you know, I wasn't speaking against environmental movement. I was speaking against some of the controllers of it. I don't mean locally, they're my friends. And so I wanted to go up there before I spoke. I wanted to be able to play. Right?
Oh, yeah. I've been seeing, you know,
I
that.
don't want to be all play, oh, I'm the lamb person. I wanted to go, hey, what I got in mind is, what's her name over there? No.
Not that.
No, I don't smoke. I'm so square, man.
You want this, Phil?
I just wanted to show
Oh, yeah, you're not a tobacco. Yeah, you just said that.
I used to smoke a long time ago.
That's beautiful.
I shouldn't touch anybody, but I didn't. Are you all right? And we just had a discussion, but he came to me. It was just beautiful. He's a good guy. Just was going through stuff, and said, "When you're going through stuff, it's me." Good man. I love that.
You haven't seen this guy in his element, dude. Like when he gets crazy, dude. You guys not seen? I saw him one time let loose. Yeah, I've only seen him let loose one time.
Had a guitar?
No, he was singing. He was singing. I knew it.
Oh, I've seen him do the Indian.
He killed it.
Chance.
He killed it.